Really? Hello? Yep. Very good museum. Yeah. We can buy something here. Just a small place.
About the country band at Court de France. Yes, I could yell at that. We'll see when we get off the condo. What ship are you guys on?
Serenade.
Oh, same as us.
The Royal.
Serenade of the Sea. Yeah,
Yes.
same as us. Yes. How come I haven't seen you guys out partying?
Oh, we are the crew. We are crew.
Oh,
Yeah, three of them.
oh,
That's
you
why.
guys work so hard.
Yeah, you
Thank
do.
you.
Yeah, you work very hard.
You are your crew.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Yes.
Yeah.
You work
All the
long
crew
hours.
is wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Every day, almost 12.
Yeah.
12 hours a day.
My daughter-in-law worked on cruise ships for 8 years.
8 years. Oh, long time.
She's
Right.
did the musical theater and
So you,
stuff. She
you
was a
get some
dancer.
time
Ah,
off.
right.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
We can go out.
Yeah.
Which
Oh, that's
ship?
Right.
I think
Right.
she did a few,
Where are you
then at
from?
the end, I think
I'm Indonesian.
maybe Norwegian or Holland America.
No, but I'd love to go there.
But she said the good thing was staying with one cruise line for so long.
Yes. Are you
Then
from
she
Bali
got to
too?
pick
Oh, you're from
which
the
cruises
Philippines.
she would work.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, because you sort of have
Bali.
seen get seniority.
There's
See,
quite a
John,
few
you can see
people
the
from
rest of
Bali.
these
Yeah,
things.
I know, I did coming up.
I think
know
it's
that.
wonderful
Yeah.
that you get to
It's
see
really
so
nice
much,
place.
right? So much of the world, I guess.
Yeah, and my daughter-in-law, she said You guys have to take turns for shore excursions, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I've
so
heard
she said she would do everyone she was able to do.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
she's been all,
On my list.
all over the world, really.
Oh, really nice.
Yeah, yeah,
Also working at the same time, right?
yep.
There is a
That's
spectrum
really
of disease in
Yeah.
Asia, right?
Yeah.
Spectrum of disease, I think. Spectrum of
The
disease.
Serenade of the Seas.
Not really sure.
No, the one in cruising in Asia.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. We'd have to go to Asia first.
Yeah.
There you
For
go.
what?
well.
To do what?
They're from Bali.
Yeah.
Oh.
Indonesia.
That took my nephew and his girlfriend when COVID hit, and
Yes.
that's where they got stuck, was Bali.
Yeah, but-
They were not too sad.
They're happy there.
About 3 months.
Oh, really?
Wow.
Yeah. But what they've been doing, like, he owned his own house that he built, a beautiful house. They sold their vehicles, they sold the car, they sold everything, and they went for 6 months in October, November, and come back in about April. And then when they got back, the first time they went, they bought a humongous, gorgeous motorhome.
Oh.
So 2 of his brothers have farms, so they just alternate between plugging it in at their farms, and then in the winter they're gone again. So they work in the summer, and they're gone again.
Winter.
Yeah. So last year they went to Greece, and I forget what island they were on. And the first picture they sent me was absolutely gorgeous. The next picture was they had enough snow here. I'm like, there's going to be much snow. Yeah, so I think this
I just heard that it's growing. Yeah.
Just what? Searching on Google. Yeah.
I don't have enough money for travel yet.
Yeah. You have to work a bit more.
Only here, walk with them.
she was able to work
This is
remotely.
my third
Yeah.
contract.
Because
Every
she
contract
does
I have
people's
8
books, accounting.
So,
So she worked every once in a while when she was over there, so she was still getting paid for the 6 months that she's there away.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
really
So
nice.
you have to do the same
Really nice,
report when
nice.
you get your vacation? Or can you take the 2 months?
Yeah. And then it depends on the schedule.
So have you guys been working cruise ships for very long?
No, for me it's like a third contract here.
Oh, okay.
The second contract are also here. The first one is Symphony. Yeah. Even COVID hit also, and then only 3 months as new hire, and then like 14 months back home, nothing to do. The plenty debit coming up, and then we need to struggle it on. We're working everything we can do to pay this.
So where do you go after this one?
After this one, we go to Juneau. Tomorrow morning. Juneau.
No, after Alaska's done.
Ah, Alaska, we're going to Caribbean.
Yeah.
Yeah, after Caribbean, I heard this ship 2023 they're going to be world cruise around the world. Yeah, I heard about that. But we're still preparing everything. Maybe get the wet dock again or something. We need to prepare.
And he would like to get on a
Yeah.
cruise line, just to experience.
But I'm not sure we are gonna be coming back here. Only the CDP can be coming back here, the ship, for the next contract. Yeah.
This is an old ship.
Yeah, it's Canada 2003, I think. Yeah, sailing 2003.
Yeah.
It's gonna be almost 20 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, almost. Oh, I just searched in the Google. We are going. Yeah. Yeah, good.
Well, I don't know who made it, but what you guys call the hot chocolate pudding, which I call
The pastry chef.
Oh, that was so good. I actually helped
Try something else.
You change every day.
Yeah, it's nice though, right? It's nice to have to change.
But you can do it the next cruise now.
Yeah.
Okay, you can come back next cruise again.
But the beef tenderloin last
You
night
can
was
make
excellent.
ABO to
Yeah.
order this one.
Very-
You can ask them, I need this one every day.
Yeah, you can make it AVO or something.
Oh, that's
Yeah, you can.
pretty special.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I like big tenderloin last night. Oh,
Yeah.
fabulous.
And the prime rib was good too.
Sharon at the shore.
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Nice.
See you. Late already, no? Almost 3. So it will be coming back. 15 minutes going to 3. It's like 2:45. That's a trail. Yeah, we had the salad gram here, and also the friend from Philippines all the way. Where are you from? Manila?
We are Manila.
Manila, nice man. The capital. His name is Rico. Right, and this one is salad gram from Indonesia. Yes, his name Tiwi Febrianti. You can share it in the Instagram if you want it. I will put in the description soon. Yeah, it's gonna be long time editing, no? Editing, and because maybe some people doesn't want to be exposed here. No, I'm sleeping. See you around. So there we are been. There.